Okay, here's the saw, this new saw I got at an auction estate sale. It looks pretty daggone good. It starts good, it runs good. We're going to start it up, so bear with me. I'm doing this by myself, so you may see some grass or something here. I'm going to set the camera down and we're going to see if we can't fire this saw up, and I'll let you hear it run. So here we get ready to go. Choke out, and I think we got everything ready. Let's see here. Let's set the trigger. Let's give it a choke. Start. We're going to let it idle. Idle's great. Good saw. Runs great. I don't think you can beat it for the money.